Dave Porter with Vouch Video. I'm here with Joe from Apex Overhead Doors. Joe has been recognized as one of the top commercial garage door companies in the entire industry. You're winning bids, you're doing something right.
All the guys are working.
We have read all the online reviews about you. These business owners could not say enough good things about you. So we wanted to come meet the industry pro. Let me know what it takes to service garage doors, install garage doors, and what it takes to find the right garage door for a business.
You have many types of commercial sectional doors. You have rolling steel doors. So first is identify which door is an issue. If it's a rolling door, we're prepared to work and fix any kind of a rolling steel door. If it's a sectional door, we're also prepared to fix any kind of sectional door, whether it be a little small 8x8 or a 20x20, we can handle it. On top of that, we got to identify whether or not it's a motor problem. A lot of times the motor operators that drive these doors up and down, they do malfunction, chains break, belts break, and it's our job to identify exactly what the problem is so we can get that customer up and running as soon as possible.
You're actually here to support Apex Overhead Garage Doors. They've installed some commercial garage doors for you. Tell me how important it is for your business to have functional garage doors and someone that you can call 24 hours a day to support you if there's any problems.
I'll tell you, it's very important to us. Every day we come, we got to be able to open those doors to begin with. Notwithstanding the weather we have, snow, ice, and comes time when the winter time it gets bad, it gets freezing up, and I got to be able to rely on someone to come down right away to get that open for me in case it happens. Because if we're not open doors, our business isn't open, and it's very important to have that reliability.
Tell me the range of projects and businesses that you work with.
Well, we work with anybody from an auto shop that has one door to a distribution center that has 100 doors. It doesn't matter. We work on all of that. We take just as good a care as a guy with one door as we do with the guys with 100 doors. It doesn't matter. We do the dock seals, the dock levelers that lift up and drop down on top of the trucks. Reversing safety edge is a big deal in commercial and industrial doors. When that door comes down, it hits something, it's got to jump back up. A lot of times those get torn up in a rough environment, and when we're out there, we can fix that.
Your name precedes itself. You have a great name when it comes to commercial garage doors, residential too, right?
Yeah.
You handle residential, custom garage doors, really the whole gamut of garage doors you can offer, right?
Absolutely, anything that goes up and down.
Joe, I want to thank you for taking the time. Service area, how far out?
Commercially, we go up to about 90 miles from our location here at Huntington Valley.
Thanks, Joe.